Welcome back. We're at Mrs. Rose's Bed and Breakfast here in Kaplan, where we are with Miss Louisiana Meagan Crews.
Hi.
You just had your first frogging experience. How was it?
Oh my gosh. It was truly not what I expected. Of course, I had the same experience the last time I came and visited you guys at Bayou Wild TV. I didn't grow up doing the adventure scene, and so anytime I ever step into the realm of a new world, it's always very intimidating, but it was really a great time.
Yeah, well, you did great, and of course we have some wonderful large bullfrog legs here to share. This recipe is called No Bullfrog Legs. What we're gonna do, we've got our frog legs here. We've got about 2 dozen frog legs. These have been brining in the refrigerator in salt water. By the way, Meagan has not eaten frog legs yet, so this is another first for her.
No bull, I really haven't.
No bull, exactly. All right, so let's start getting these seasoned up. And it's a pretty simple recipe. This is just granulated salt and, of course, our signature seasoning here.
Pick it up.
Yeah, just get your hands dirty a little bit. You know, they don't have to be completely coated, and we're gonna throw them in this dish here, get them all prepped up. I mean, these are the size of giant chicken wings.
That's what I'm telling myself they are.
Yeah, exactly.
It's chicken, it's chicken.
I'm gonna have Meagan continue to season these while I get the brine set up. So, are you nervous?
No, I'm excited.
Excited?
I'm really ready to try them.
Okay.
Last time that I cooked with you guys, it turned out to be delicious. So I know this is going to be a really great first experience with frog legs.
So what I'm doing here is we've got 2 cups of whole milk and 2 cups of buttermilk, and this is gonna be part of our brine here. So while you continue to season those, I'm gonna get this prepared. Now you wanna give yourself a little bit of time when you're doing this recipe because of course these have had to soak in the salt water, and we're also gonna have to brine the frog legs in this kind of milk batter here. So 2 cups of each, whole milk and buttermilk, and 2 eggs. So, you know, there's not a lot of ingredients here. You can't really mess it up.
No.
Unless you drop an eggshell in there, which I didn't do, I promise.
Okay, let's see.
A good old southern frog leg appetizer. So we've got our noble bullfrog legs all seasoned up. We've got our hands nice and dirty. We've got the marinade prepared, and we're gonna put the frog legs in the marinade, cover them up, let them sit for about an hour, and head out onto the porch and see what Don and Barry are making.
Let's do it, I'm hungry.
Let's do it.
We are cooking garfish, fried garfish. We're gonna fry it for about 5 minutes.
How would you describe the texture and flavor of garfish to somebody that may have eaten speckled trout or, you know, crappie, sac-a-lait, bass, and fish like that?
If you've ever tried alligator, it's just like alligator.
Our little frog legs have been marinating for an hour. Time to get them cooked up here.
I'm so ready. Okay, let's see.
Oh,
It's the best sound. That's when you know you're about to eat good.
And given that we have so many of these frog legs, we're gonna kind of break it up into 2 different batches.
All I can say is by the time that I am all done with my years, Miss Louisiana, if I am not a fully cultured food artist, I don't even know if I did my year right.
You know how to cook redfish now.
Yes.
Redfish Ryan. And now you know noble bullfrog legs. So just like chicken wings, you know, you kind of just have to gauge them, make sure they're cooked through.
Okay.
You don't want any chewy frog legs. We're gonna let these bad boys cook up for a bit, and when we come back, we'll plate up the finished product. Welcome back. We're at Mrs. Rose's Bed and Breakfast, home of Crawfish Haven excursions with Meagan Crews, Miss Louisiana. What do you think?
I think they're beautiful. I'm ready to dig in.
Noble bullfrog legs. So we've got them fried up here. We didn't fry them in a conventional sense. We cooked them in oil in a sauteed skillet. So the last step, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter on them, a little melted butter. Got our little paintbrush here.
Butter makes everything better,
It sure
always.
does. And I'll tell you what, you have to be very careful with these because they're so tender, the meat literally falls off the bone. for the moment we have all been waiting for.
Oh man. Ah. Okay.
Just remember, it tastes like chicken.
Tastes like chicken. Tastes like chicken.
Meagan Crews is first.
No, just kidding.
She's not scared.
I'm not. I'm actually not. Okay, that's delicious.
Survey says
Delicious.
noble bullfrog legs, harvested
Man.
by yours truly.